Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to use calculator in Moto G34. First of all, go to the home page of our phone and select calculator app. This is calculator app which is provided within your phone. Here you can do simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Here I add 12 plus 45 equal to 57. If you want to clear it, click on AC and it will clear. Then I do this simple division. Okay, if you want to clear it, click on AC. If you click here, some scientific calculative terms are showing here. You can use some scientific calculator using this. Click on for example sine 56 equal to this much. Sine 56 I have done. Now I clear it. 2 plus bracket 56 minus tan 58 equal to this much. So in this way you can do many things like scientific calculation as well as simple calculation. E power 25 equal to, so this calculator will be very useful for doing some urgent calculations in your phone Moto G34. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.